Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoiner Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Today we will tell you important news about cryptocurrency Dogecoin. Dogecoin reacts to investors' question of to be or not to be. However, for Dogecoin this might only be a momentary slip-up, since neither price indicators nor other metrics are noting a change in investors' behavior. After breaching the 10-month-long downtrend last week, Dogecoin managed to close above it. In fact, in the last 7 days, Doge has seen a positive change of 6.64%. This is because the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is not in the overbought zone yet. Perhaps, this is giving some room to keep the active trend going. And, MACD isn't displaying any bearishness either. Furthermore, the average balance on every address, which began inclining 2 weeks ago, rose to its 2-month high of $4,781 on 29 March. Usually, the metric acts this way under two circumstances: if the number of Doge holding addresses decreases, or if the prices rally. Fortunately for the 3.83 million Dogecoin investors, both circumstances came into play over the last few days. Notably, prices have shot up by 28% in the previous 2 weeks. This was followed by the exit of 720k addresses from the beginning of this month. The volume seems to be a major concern at the moment. This raises the question if the investors have lost interest or found a better option. Doge's closest competitors in terms of price and purpose are Cardano and Shiba Inu, respectively. And, currently, both the altcoins haven't witnessed any stellar rise in their investors' count. While Cardano has noted the addition of 30k addresses after the Dogecoin investor made an exit. Surprisingly, Shiba Inu has been observing the opposite of that. Between 7 to 30 March marked a small line last week, the coin continued its downtrend. The volume of Dogecoin also flashed a decline along with the past 2 trading sessions closing in red as seen on the chart. For most of March so far, the market barely witnessed any buying strength. The coin has tried to bring in buyers in the past 24 hours, however it failed to hold its momentum. The Relative Strength Index reflects the same reading as the indicator slowly crept below the half line at press time, indicating a selling strength again. Dogecoin, Avalanche, Gala Price Analysis. After nosediving to its 10-month low on 24 February, Doge recovered its previous losses by registering a 35% ROI and testing the $0.136 level. As the sellers stepped in at the $0.136 resistance, Doge withdrew in a down channel, yellow, over the last 9 days. This pullback found support at its 2-week trendline support near the $0.115 mark. Consequently, the bulls found a pattern breakout and jumped above its 4-hour 20 EMA. The immediate hurdle for the alt was still at the 50 EMA sign. At press time, Doge traded at $0.1224. After heading into the oversold region, the RSI revived in an ascending triangle. As a result, it broke above the 40 mark resistance as the buyers stepped in to claim an edge. Now, the 53 level could pose a barrier as the sellers endeavored to counter the bullish pressure. Also, the DMI lines reaffirmed the increasing buying influence, but were yet to witness a bullish crossover. As the bulls finally gathered enough impetus from its January lows, AVAX noted staggering 85.2% gains until 17 February. Then, they all found itself on the back foot as the bears tested the $66 floor. The most recent bearish phase marked a down channel, yellow, that led AVAX below its point of control, red, POC. But, in light of the increasing bullish vigor over the last 2 weeks, buyers controlled the $70 mark, while propelling it close above its POC. Thus, the pattern breakout supported the alt on its way above the 20 to 50 SMA. Now, the 200 SMA could see a prolonged clash between the buyers and sellers. At press time, AVAX was trading at $79.06, after noting 10.21% 24 made up by drones. The party started at 4 p.m. Texas time, and it took place less than 2 weeks after Tesla opened the first Gigafactory in Europe, Berlin. Now, the overall amount of Tesla gigafactories around the globe is 6, including Shanghai and the factories in several US states. As the video of Shiba Inu appearing in the dark sky during the Tesla party appeared on many accounts on Twitter, the Dogecoin price briefly surged by over 5% earlier today to hit $0.1527. However, by now, the meme cryptocurrency has retraced to the $0.1453 level. Earlier this week, Today reported that the Tesla chief had joined the Twitter board of directors after he had disclosed the purchase of a 9.2% stake at Twitter, which cites 73.5 million TWTR shares. This made Musk the single biggest shareholder of the company. The agreement signed with Twitter does not allow him to buy more than 14.9% of shares. Musk has announced that he is looking forward to working with the Twitter CEO Parag Agrawal and the Twitter board to make significant improvements to Twitter in the coming months. Among these improvements, apparently, will be the addition of an edit button. Prior to the day when Musk's investment was revealed, he had run a poll asking the community if they want an edit button, and if they agree that Twitter does not allow for free speech. Well, now we will discuss the Dogecoin price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, based on the following concept. Dogecoin is currently worth 12 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $16,144,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Dogecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you. The forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge